I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sing and song. To begin your vocal journey, focus on your posture. Stand tall with relaxed shoulders to allow for optimal breath support. Next, master basic breathing techniques, drawing air deeply into your diaphragm for sustained notes. Always start with gentle vocal warm-ups to prepare your voice, preventing strain. Finally, explore your vocal range to find your most comfortable and resonant pitches. Now, let's refine your sound. Practice matching pitches using a piano or a vocal app to improve your accuracy. Developing your ear training will help you recognize musical intervals more easily. Don't be afraid to experiment with various vocal tones and colors to find what suits you best. Remember to focus on clear articulation, ensuring every word you sing is understandable to your audience. To truly bring a song to life, incorporate dynamics and emotion. Learn to control your vocal volume, moving smoothly from soft, quiet passages to powerful, loud sections. Experiment with adding vibrato to your sustained notes for a richer, more professional sound. Most importantly, convey genuine emotion through your vocal delivery, connecting with the song's message. Practice phrasing to shape your musical lines beautifully. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Establish a daily routine, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Record yourself regularly. Listening back helps you identify areas needing work. To build confidence, perform for supportive friends or family members. Don't hesitate to seek constructive feedback from experienced singers or vocal coaches, as their insights can be invaluable for your growth as a vocalist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.